Especially si Dudu to, I wanna tell you this in the front of the camera. Start the year this now. Before end of the year, somebody, someone na kukuha sa'yo para gaganap ka sa isang role. Of course, medyo padaitin ka lang konti, but take the role. May isang director makakapuna sa'yo. Then pag sinabi na siya, Dudut, try to lose your weight a little bit. Ay, oh my God, Direk, how many days lang yan? Wala na yan. Yun ang door ng success mo.
GMA Pictures, baka naman.
For you naman, Chiska, you're not gonna empty this year. Okay, but year 2026 is your boom year. Yun talaga yung taon na masabi mo na, oh my God, wala akong pahinga. But like, Lord, thank you sa blessing, but oh my God, can you give me a little bit rest? But next year kasi is talagang focus yung pangalan mo, mukha mo sa camera. Next year kasi is like, meron ka ng movie, meron ka pang comedy na mag-extra sa pag-guest sa pag-comedy show. Meron ka pang, basta yung blessing mo next year is overwhelmed.